but there was love in the house, there was compassion in the house, and as Rabbi Menachem would say, Աստուծո հոգին ներկա էր, Հիսուս Քրիստոս ներկա էր, Աստուծո հոգին ներկա է հիմա, Հիսուս Քրիստոսը ներկա է հիմա, as the fine author said, հիմա ըրե, yes, yes. And that is why that when I'm done addressing you this evening, Hima Anelo, I'm going to go and be at my father's side, because if you want to do something, the best time to do it is now. And I want to tell you the last line of this poem by Vahan Tepeyan. Եվ զանգակներն են պոմպյուն, և երգն է միշտ աղտություն. I remember those songs. I remember those songs on every Sunday morning. And those songs were victorious to me. And today, when I go to the Middle East, a few months ago when I went to Burj when my objective was to go to Latakia and be close to the Kesatsis, I went to the Armenian school and I stood there and I felt more at home there than I feel in Glendale in the house on top of the hill that I call home today. But I felt more at home there. Let us all remember that earthly possessions, as Digim Buhurjan knows all too well, obviously, don't serve much of a purpose unless they are put to service in the name of the Lord, yes. Unless they are put to service in the name of the Lord. My father always told me, don't work too hard. I said, I agree with you. I agree with you wholeheartedly. That's why I'm involved in many, many activities. I'm involved in many fundraisers, because I know how much money you don't need to live a happy life. I'm blessed in that regard, and so are all of you. We all know how much money we do not need to live a happy life. Because we all, if we are here this evening, if we are members or friends or those who follow the teachings of the Armenian Church, and particularly the teachings of the Armenian Evangelical Church, we know that with compassion we have all the wealth one can ever ask for from God Almighty. Thank you very much for having me this evening.